Hey everyone, today I want to talk about how to share documents with Office 365. There are two ways to do it, and the first one is going to be through OneDrive. So when you first log in, you see your app tiles down here on the bottom, and I'm going to choose OneDrive. And as I've said before, this is kind of like your online hard drive, your storage location. Okay, once I'm in OneDrive, I can see all my different files and folders, and what I want to do is hover over the document that I want to share. So in this case, I'm going to share a chart that we use in special ed, and I'm just going to hover over it, and when I do that, this little circle appears. I need to check that circle, and that is how I select my document. Then I'll click right up here at the top on the word share. Once I click that button, it brings up an invite box, and this is how I share the document with everybody. So I'm going to type in another special ed teacher's name, and when I do that, it should find her in the list of email users. So her name is Natalie Puckett. I'm going to click here. I want to show her this document, and I want her to be able to print it and everything, but I don't want her to be able to change it. So instead of Can Edit over here, I'm going to change this to Can View. And I want it to require a sign-in, and I also want her to know as soon as I've sent it that she has access. So I'm going to make sure I leave these two checked, and then I'm just going to click the Share button. Alright, so that's the first way to do it. The second way would be if you were already in one of the programs or one of the apps and you wanted to share something you were currently working on. So to give you an example of that, I'm just going to open up a PowerPoint, pick a template, and work on it for just a moment. And let's see. This is a test. Okay, and once I've started that, I'm going to go right up here to the top right, and you'll have the same button in any of the apps, and it says Share. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing. This time I'm going to share it with a different teacher that I work with. I'm going to just click her name, and I'm going to change it to, or leave it on Can Edit this time, so she can make changes if she wants. I also want to require a sign-in, and I'm just going to click the Share button, and that is it. Those are the two different ways to share documents and files while you are in Office 365.